तो सुनो।
वो मार है तो गलत कैसे हो सकती है भला? परवरिश में कोई कमी न रह जाए, टिफिन में खाना अगर स्वादिष्ट हो जाए, बच्चों के कपड़े वक्तमंद हो जाए, एक दाग रह न जाए, वो मार है, वो गलत कैसे हो सकती है?
नौकरी करनी चाहिए तो बच्चों ने रोक दिया, कुछ घर पर ही करना चाहा तो सबने टोक दिया। तुम माँ हो, तुम अपना हक बच्चों से भला कैसे छीन सकती हो? तुम माँ हो, तुम भला अपने लिए कैसे जी सकती हो?
बचपन में हम बच्चों ने माँ पर ऐसा प्यार जताया कि माँ को हमेशा सही करने के लिए मजबूर ही पाया।
माँ, तुम दोस्तों के साथ नाक मत कटवाना। सुनो माँ, स्कूल में ना कुछ प्रॉपर पहन कर आना। आप अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश मत करा करो, रहने दो घर में रहा करो।
जो बच्चों की गलतियों को 1000 बार माफ कर देती है, वो माँ खुद कभी गलत नहीं हो सकती है।
हे, आज माँ तुम भी गलत हो सकती हो पोएम को पूरा 1 साल होने को आया। तो ये वीडियो काइंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन है उन रेस्पॉन्सेस को मैं आप तक लेकर आ रही हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे साल भर ऐसे बिल्कुल आसमान में उड़ा के रखा। इतने हार्ट वार्मिंग रेस्पॉन्सेस थे, इतने प्यारे प्यारे शब्दों से लोगों ने मतलब रेस्पॉन्ड किया इस पोएम को कि मैंने सोचा अपने तक रख के क्या फायदा। तो जो भी स्क्रीनशॉट्स मुझे आप लोगों ने भेजे, जो कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट्स मैंने खुद से चला के सेव करके फोल्डर में से संभाल के मखमल के कपड़े में रखे, वो मैंने सोचा कि आप तक लेकर आओ, शेयर करो द मोस्ट हार्ट वार्मिंग वर्ड्स। So here we go, and before I go further and start sharing all of this, I would really like to thank the Sahitya Project who actually gave me the platform to perform this poem even before I had performed any other poem. Like this was my first ever performance. So big thanks to Anuj, Manu and the whole team who actually came forward and gave me this platform. And with that note, let's move forward to some of the news coverages just to give you an idea of how this poem was received by media and by people. So yeah, let's go. So this was my first ever news coverage by Rajasthan Patrika. Then New Indian Express, Scoop Vogue, Femina, these followed and they covered the poem and the meaning behind it in their own way. I loved each perspective, to be frank. Some platforms actually went forward and translated the poem on their behalf. Like from Hindi, they translated it to English to reach a larger audience, and that for me was so heartwarming in itself. So yeah, one of the professors actually from Multan asked me if he could translate this poem into Urdu, and obviously I said yes, but I don't know what happened next. But just to have this query was awesome. Then there was this guy who actually posted a video of he reciting this poem in Hindi to his mother who was visiting him in Chicago after a long time. And apparently this guy couldn't speak Hindi well, but he was trying it with this poem, which was very actually so lovely to actually watch. I watched it many a times. The emotion behind it was so pure. So yeah, that was another response that actually made me feel like there has been an impact beyond I could fathom in my poem, and it had reached an audience and touched them in a way that maybe as a writer you often don't realize while you're writing it or even after you have written it. Some of these comments are so heartwarming where people have confessed of having cried and having recited it to their mother, and with mothers crying and mothers thanking their kids, and everything was such a mixed feeling for me at that point of time that whenever someone would send me a screenshot of the response their friend has sent to them or something that they themselves talk about, that we listened to a poem and we just loved it, my mother loved it and we have been watching it in loop or something like that, I wanted to understand that nothing of this was intentional. Obviously it came from the right place, maybe that's why it reached in a right way to the audience. So but to say that wow, I was able to do something like this would be not so right, because you don't do it, it just happens. And when it happens, all you could do is to be honest with your feelings and take it all in the most honest and purest way possible. So I make sure that I respond to each of these responses that I receive, and I talk to them as a human being, not as someone who has written it and forgotten about it. So I talk about their mothers, and I get a little more deeper into that conversation, because I know that when someone has reached out to you and want to talk about something as personal as their mother, it doesn't come from just a random thought. It's something they want to really share with you and want you to, respond back to it. So yeah, I make sure of that. So people ask me what exact changes came into your life. जैसे कि मैं पूछते हैं ना, अरे और कैसा लग रहा है वायरल होके? So I will actually be very frank with you. One is, if you want to exactly know what I felt like after this went viral, here is the video link here, or somewhere I will put it, where you can check out the enactment of it. But frankly speaking, I really felt well. मुझे आज भी स्क्रीनशॉट्स मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं कि आपकी पोएम यहाँ से मुझे दिखी, वहाँ दिखी, एंड व्हाट्सएप पे किसी ने शेयर की. इट मेक्स माई डे एवरी सिंगल डे. ऐसा नहीं है कि ठीक है, बट एवरी टाइम आई जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दोज मैसेज, लाइक रीड दोज मैसेजेस. मैं अपने यूट्यूब उस पर भी जाती हूँ, एंड आई सी एवरी न्यू मैसेज एंड रीड दैम. सो येस, आई फेल्ट गुड फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजन्स. बट द पॉइंट आई वॉन्ट टू से ओवर हियर इज, देखो, लिखते टाइम आपको नहीं पता था कि ये ऐसा होगा, राइट? यू डोंट राइट विद दैट इंटेंशन. हो गया, लोगों को पसंद आ गया. यू डिडंट डू मच अबाउट इट. यू जस्ट हैपन टू बी द मीडियम हु एक्चुअली wrote that thing, and I'm happy about that, to be that medium. But you will have to move forward to this. Keep writing good. Stay humble, and just make sure that take this as a responsibility kind of a thing, that if people love hearing you, then try to say always something that is honest and truthful to yourself. So that is what I try to do with Batton Ki Bakwas, the YouTube channel that I run. I would also ask you to actually visit my mom's YouTube channel. The link I am putting somewhere over here. She writes every single day. And since this is about mothers, I would really love you if you would actually go and visit her channel and listen to some of her poems. But moving forward, I'm going to make you listen to two very sweet voice notes that I received. One is from a singer from Lahore, and the other is from a sweet lady called Sarabjit, who shared something really personal with us. So we will listen to it together. Okay, come on.
हाय प्रणामिका जी, सलाम, प्रणाम और नमस्ते. जितना खूबसूरती से आपने उसको लिखा, आई थॉट टू रिकॉर्ड दिस मैसेज फॉर यू, जस्ट बिकॉज कि हम सब लोग वो सब चीज़ें रियलाइज़ तो करते हैं, मगर जितनी खूबसूरती से आपने उनके लिए वो लफ्ज़ चुने, जितनी खूबसूरती से आपने उन थॉट्स को जो हम सब करते हैं बट रियलाइज़ नहीं करते, उनको आपने जितनी खूबसूरती से बोला, वो कोई भी सुने तो शायद हम सब यही करते हैं, बट हम रियलाइज़ नहीं करते हैं. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग मी रियलाइज. आई ट्रूली अप्रिशिएट दैट. कसम से, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
I lost my mom 4 years back, and your poem's every word and sentence was so very relatable. Your poem made me realize how we take our parents for granted. Today I realize it more as I have a grown-up daughter who also tells me the same thing, which at one point I used to tell my mom. Therefore, spend as much time as possible with your parents. Love them, cherish them, encourage them, as we need them more than they need us. Lots of love, Sarabjit.
जाने से पहले let's talk about that evening, the evening when I performed this poem. So what happened is, this was an evening called Ammi, which was organized by the Sahitya Project, which is run by Anuj and Manu, who actually invited Ammis from all over Jaipur to come and perform their stories, poems, the first ever storytellers of our childhood, to come and give them a stage to perform their stories and poems. So after all the Ammis had performed, there was a folk performance that was scheduled towards the end. तो एक राजस्थानी folk group था जिसको लास्ट में परफॉर्म करना था, तो वो स्टेज सजा रहे थे, वो माइक तैयार कर रहे थे, एंड जो भी अरेंजमेंट्स उनके थे, म्यूजिकल इक्विपमेंट्स के, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के, वो सब अरेंजमेंट हो रही थी. तो उस दौरान मनु ने आके उससे कहा कि यार अनामिका, वो तुमने जो पोएम लिखी है तुम आके सुनाओ तो इस दौरान. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, व्हाई नॉट. सो आई ग्रैब्ड द माइक, एंड द video that you see is me holding the papers that I had with me and reciting it, because मैंने एक दिन पहले लिखी थी. So yes, that is how that evening happened. I recited the poem, and the rest is something we have been experiencing together. तो उसके बारे में बात करने की ज़रूरत तो क्या है, हम आपस में ही इस चीज़ को शेयर करते रहते हैं from time to time. With that note, I want to leave you with an announcement that I will be going Insta live reciting this poem on 10th of May, which is Mother's Day. So yeah, let's listen to this poem all over again, and I will be so happy reciting it for you all over again. And then after some time, I will go Insta live with the Pakistani singer from Lahore, whom you just listened the voice note. तो उनके साथ मैं इंस्टा लाइव जाऊंगी और हम थोड़ी गुफ्तगू करेंगे जिंदगी के बारे में. Nothing very deep, but we will just have some fun singing and talking about life. With that note, I'm going to give you a big thank you and a warm hug to all those ladies who from time to time come and hug me and hold me and tell me that this poem has made a great impact. This is something I never imagined will happen to my life. It happened, and that too, having touched mothers' lives is something I will carry with me forever. Thank you for giving me so much love and support. Together, let's keep creating beautiful memories like this, and I will try to come up with some good content for you in the form of some sensible topics and some fun ones too. So keep watching Batton Ki Bakwas. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't till now. I know many of you just watch it and just आगे बढ़ जाते हो यार. So subscribe to it, leave a comment, leave a like, share the video, share the poems that you watch over here, so that I can keep writing and keep entertaining you with good content. So thank you very much for watching this video. Happy Mother's Day. Give your mothers a big hug, and let's make this life beautiful for all the mothers. Bye bye.